Hey everybody, welcome back. Mike here. I'm so happy to have you here. I've got a ton of content I've been working on, anything to help you work smarter essentially. That said, for today, I wanted to show you guys how to remove duplicates inside of Microsoft Excel. It's something that I really struggled with. So if we look at this table here, here's what I would do before. I would say, okay, we have Mark, Bob, Mark. Okay, we have a duplicate there. Let's delete this one right here. We'll right click on it and we'll go to delete. Boom, look at that. I removed a duplicate. Let's keep going. That's what I would do. That's exactly what I would do, and that is not the right way to do it. It works, but it takes forever, especially if you have a lot of data. So what we can do within Excel is there's a very easy way to do this, and I'm gonna show you it right now. So I have this table here, and all we have to do to remove duplicates is first select the data. I prefer to just use Command A or Control A. And from there, then go over to the data tab right here. We'll select that, and then we'll go over here. Now this little box right here, this is remove duplicates, but it depends on your screen resolution. It depends on how big you have Excel, because Excel will actually hide certain menu items when you make the window smaller, which to me is really confusing when you're learning it, because you'll learn how to do it one way, and then all of a sudden the button's gone. So just be aware of that. In this case, in fact, I think it was yesterday, I had a different resolution on my screen, and I actually had a big button that said remove duplicates. It was the size of this one right here. Now it's super tiny. So just be aware of that. Now in this case, I'm gonna go ahead and hit remove duplicates. So we've got our data selected, we hit remove duplicates. It now says basically which columns do you want to remove duplicates from. This should be all of your columns essentially, because you want everything to stay matched up. You want the data to be aligned, right? So for example, Mark's ID is, let's see, 16. We want it to stay 16. We don't want to see that shift around to some other ID, for example. So let's keep it to the defaults. Let's hit OK. And it says it removed 25 duplicates, and there are 7 unique values remaining. If we click OK, we see our data looks a lot better, and I didn't have to right click 25 times. So that's definitely a lot better. Now let me go Command Z this real quick. So I'm gonna undo that, and I wanna show you one other way to do this. So another way that you can get to remove duplicates if you don't wanna go through the menu here, you can go at the top, you can select Data, you can go down to Table Tools, and you can click Remove Duplicates. So that's another way for those of you that just kind of don't really like the menu option maybe, or the tab option, you can go with the menu instead. So if I click that, it says it can't apply to, or can't be applied to the selected range because we haven't selected a range. So that's the first thing you need to keep in mind. You got to make sure you select the proper data that you want to remove duplicates from. So in this case, again, I'm going to, instead of selecting the whole table, I'm going to make a slight mistake. I'll just select one column, and let's go ahead and hit remove duplicates. Now it says Microsoft Excel found data next to your selection. Because you have not selected this data, it will not be removed. So what this is essentially saying is, I'm gonna remove duplicates on column A, but not column B. Are you sure that you wanna do this? If you wanna remove duplicates across the board, which we do, you would leave it to expand selection and hit remove duplicates. If, however, you say, I just wanna remove duplicates from one column and not from the others, which might be the case, then you leave it to continue with the current selection and click remove duplicates. From there, it'll then again ask us which column do you want to remove duplicates from. We will just leave it to name and hit OK. So you see what happened there? It removed duplicates only from column A this time, not from the whole table. So that's all I really got for you. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, make sure you hit the subscribe and click the bell, because that way you'll get notified whenever I drop a new video related to things like Microsoft Excel. So I've got a ton of content coming out, by the way. I'm in my studio. I'm recording videos like crazy. So I'm excited about it. I hope you are. I hope this is helpful to you guys. Make sure to drop a comment and let me know what you think. That said, until next time, stay safe and healthy. And do I even have to say it? Yeah, I guess I will. Stay nerdy.